I am the artist. This is my studio. What do artists do?
We are going to take a look at watercolor technique of mixing watercolors in the palette, and we are going to learn about the three primary colors: yellow, my favorite, red, my favorite, and blue, my favorite. I always start by dipping my brush in water and then the lightest color. Then I place the paint on the paper and I save some on my palette by scraping off some of the color. Wash your brush in between each color change. So then you go to red, the next color, swirl it around with lots of water on it. You're also going to outline the shape, paint it in. We call that outlining and filling in. And then you're going to save some on the palette. Get some extra water on your brush, swirl it around, and scrape the extra paint off. Then we'll go to blue. And these are our primary colors. As we said, you cannot mix primary colors. You have to buy them. They come from minerals in the earth or vegetables. Those kinds of things, natural things, make these colors. What about the other two colors? The other red and the other blue. Those are in the red family and the blue family. And together, all these 5 colors, you can make millions of colors, including black. So let's take a look at how we start mixing. Let's use the lightest blue and yellow and make a beautiful green. Then you can use the darkest blue and the darkest red to make a beautiful purple. Here we have red, yellow, and blue, our primary colors, and purple, green, and orange are our secondary colors. Those are the colors where you mix the primary and they become the secondary. So you have 3 primary colors, 3 secondary colors, and millions of other possibilities. Here are some of my favorite. I mixed the darkest red and the darkest blue together and made kind of a dark purple, and then you add a bit of yellow to make a black. You might have to add a little bit more blue and a little bit more yellow until it becomes exactly the color that you want. Let's get started mixing.